Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Device Mockup Widget to your WooCommerce website. Device Mockup Widgets are useful for showcasing designs, app previews, and website screens in a polished and realistic way, which can make your website look more professional. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WooCommerce website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Device Mockup in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout and the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the Content tab, you can select the device type. Under Content Source, you can add an image URL, upload an image, or enter a website link. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the template. In the Appearance tab, you can customize the widget appearance. You can change the background color and the device color. In the Interaction section, you can enable or disable options like 3D effect, auto scroll, and phone landscape view. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the installation code and go to your WooCommerce site. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.